How to share an Instagram account. In this video, I will show you how to share an Instagram account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, so let's jump straight into it. First, open Instagram and make sure you're logged into the account you want to share. From the Instagram home screen, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Once you're on your profile, look underneath your username and tap Share Profile. This will open the profile sharing screen where you can choose how you want to share the account. You can tap Copy Link to copy your Instagram profile link and send it to someone through another app. You can also select one of the available sharing options to send your profile directly. Another easy way is to tap the Share Profile button and select the person or app you want to send it to. The recipient can then tap the link to open your Instagram profile. So that is how to share an Instagram account or profile. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, please consider leaving a like, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.